Okay, this is the Pexels site for the best free stock photos and videos shared by talented creators. It's a really easy site to use. It has an abundant supply of photos that you can choose from. There's probably nothing on here that you can't get. So if you were looking for ideas for advertisement, ideas for a storybook, just ideas for your own photography even, this site would definitely come up with everything you require to do whatever it is you want to come up with. It's a free site, it's easy access. You just click onto the Pexels website. From there you can type in whatever you want to search for. Uh, Cars, it's always a good thing to go for. And there you go, you've got cars. Choose whatever you like. Use them for the backgrounds in your photos. There's not a whole lot of what you can and can't do on it. You can sign up to be a contributor or just a downloader. I signed up as a contributor, so I thought I might start using this site for a little bit. It seems like a really good site to use. I'd like to contribute some of my photos to it. So I would definitely recommend this site for anybody who's looking for marketing, study, photo editing, just a bit of fun. Upload your own videos, show them to the world, your own images, show them to the world. Definitely a goal for me. Like and share the video, and I hope I helped.